Wanna learn how to download and sign up for Instagram app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already onto my Play Store. You can also get into App Store or Play Store and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Insert here Instagram and then search for this particular app. Now you can tap on install and install this particular app. You can see that I have already installed this, so I can simply open it and get all over started. But since Instagram deals with a copyright infringement, I'm going to use Chrome today because they do have the similar process. So I'll show you how to sign up for Instagram by using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on it, tap on the search or type web address, insert here instagram.com. This will take you to the official website of the Instagram app itself. If you want to continue as this, you can tap on continue. But since we are going to create one account, I'm going to tap on switch account. You can also do the same. Now enter. Now you can see that if you do not have an account, you can tap on sign up below. Here you can use a phone number or email address. Today I'll be using an email address. You can do of your own. So I'm going to tap on this email and then tap on email address section and enter the particular email address that I want to use. When you're done, tap on next below. So you can see that they have sent a confirmation code to our email address. So I need to go there and check it. I'm going to do it. You can also do the same. So you can see that I'm onto the homepage of my own email address and there is a notification on the top by Instagram itself. Tap on it. So this is the particular code that they have just sent to us for the confirmation. So I'm going to tap on it and copy this particular confirmation code, and then I'm going to go back and insert here this particular confirmation code and then tap on next below. Now we have an option of entering our name and password. So I'm going to enter my name that I want to keep. You can do of your own and then keep a password. Make sure to make it stronger, at least of 8 characters long. When you're done keeping your full name and password, tap on next below. So you can choose your birthday over here. I'm going to choose my birth month by tapping on this month at first, and then the date, and then particular year that I was born in. You can do of your own. Now tap on next below when you're done. So you can see that you have been welcomed to Instagram. You can even change your username as you like, otherwise you can tap on next below. So you can see that just by doing it, I have been signed up for an Instagram app and I've been welcomed by Instagram itself. And I can make sure that this is my particular account by tapping on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. You can see that AlexaGill501 and AlexaGill. These both username and name belongs to me. So this is how you do it. Now you can go back and follow people that you like and invite your friends as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.